Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Annie, and I'm so excited to share this new video sa inyo. Tutorial video to guys, and alam naman natin na meron ng application si Palawan Pay sa tagal-tagal ng panahon guys. Ngayon pa lang si Palawan nagkaroon ng application. So, i-share ko sa inyo guys yung process kung paano ba mag-create ng account kay Palawan, and then probably there will be a separate video kung paano siya gamitin. Before anything else guys, if hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para updated ka if may bago akong videos katulad nito. So, let's hop into the video and let's begin the tutorial.
Up. Yan. And then, next guys, if hindi pa kayo nakapag-register or nakapag-create ng account kay Palawan Pay, you just need to click create account. Pero if meron na guys, you need to click login. So for me, kasi wala pa akong account kay Palawan Pay, nag-create muna ako ng account. So click natin tong create account. Yan. So, meron yung terms and conditions. You just need to read the terms and conditions and the privacy policy. And if okay na sa inyo guys, you just need to click agree. So, check natin yung policy. So, basahin nyo lang to guys. Yan. Kailangan understand nyo yung terms and conditions ni Palawan or ni Palawan Pay. Yan. Kalagay dyan. Then, if okay na guys, click I agree. Yan. So, kailangan natin i-register yung phone number natin. So, yung phone number na active guys. So, yan. So, lagay na natin yung number natin. Then, you need to create password. So, yung password guys is, kailangan yung password naman na ma-remember nyo. And then, yung madali lang din. Para at least hindi nyo makalimutan. So, pag okay na yan guys, click done. And then, merong verification code ka na matatanggap. So, meron kang 5 minutes para ma-input yung verification code na sinend ni Palawan. Yan. So, kailangan natin ilagay yung account details natin. Make sure lang guys na complete yung information nyo ha. And then, yung real name nyo talaga yung ilalagay nyo. Kasi dito sa app, pwede tayong mag-send ng payments and then pwede din tayong maka-receive. So, yan. So, pag okay na guys, yung basic details nyo, i-double check nyo lang and then click next. And then, it will ask for your current address. So, lagay nyo dyan yung current address nyo, guys. Saang province. Ano yung municipality mo. And anong barangay. And then it will ask for your unit number, house number, building, or street name. Okay na yan, guys. Click submit. And then, get ready for a selfie video of yourself. So, meron tong selfie video, guys. So, nakalagay dyan, please position your face within the frame properly. You will verify whether you're really there. Then, process will take just a few seconds. So, click I'm ready. Yan. So, success na guys. And we need to click next. So, i-check nila guys yung picture na in-upload. Yan. So, meron ditong security question. So, pipili ka ng security question. So, ako ilalagay ko or pipili yung pipiliin ko na lang dito guys is what was your childhood nickname. Lagay natin yung answer. Pasensya na guys sa mga neighbors namin. Mga neighbors, mga doggy neighbors. And then click next. And then nominate a new quick pin. So, re-enter. So, yan. Do you want to upload Palawan Pay to your Face ID? So, pwede din, guys. Yan. So, ito na, guys. So, naka-register na tayo. And ito na yung nakalagay. Congratulations, may Palawan Pay account ka na. Mag-upgrade para ma-enjoy ang mas maraming features and services na available ni Palawan Pay. So, nakalagay dito guys, yung basic lang is 20,000. And then, if verified ka, 100,000. So, cash in over the counter, receive money wallet to wallet, and then request money. So, 10,000 yung limit natin. And then yung outgoing then, which is cash out, send money to wallet or wallet to wallet, pay bills, buy loads, scan to pay, 10,000 din siya. And then other features, create sub-wallet, and then create child wallet. Wala naman, okay yan guys. And then, nakalagay dito, account limits. So, yan yung account limits. Meron kasing tatlo, basic, verified, and gold. So, yung gold, guys, is sobrang laki niya, 50K. So, nakalagay dito, basic account is only valid for 12 months from date of account creation. It also cannot receive and send international transactions. So, please secure a valid ID to upgrade to verify account and enjoy more benefits and features of Palawan. So, verified na ako guys. Depende na lang sa inyo if gusto nyo mag-upgrade or mag-upgrade yung homepage niya. So, pero pwede tayong mag-cash in, pwede tayong mag-cash out, send money, buy load, pay bills, upgrade account, and then request money. So, yan na guys yung process kung paano tayo gumawa ng account kay Palawan Pay. So, next naman natin guys na i-video is kung paano mag-cash in, mag-cash out, mag-send money, mag-buy load, mag-pay bills, mag-upgrade ng account, and mag-request ng money. So, explore natin to yung mga pwedeng ma-process ni Palawan.
So, yan na guys, yung step-by-step process kung paano tayo mag-create ng account kay Palawan Pay. So, madali lang siya guys. So long as process or malagay mo lahat yung information nyo and madali lang siyang gamitin. So, kailangan lang din natin na complete and tama lahat yung information na linagay natin when we created account. Don't forget yung password nyo din sa account para if mag-login kayo. Kasi lahat ng mga transactions nyo is pwede nyo gamitin or pwede nyo, lahat ng transactions nyo is nasa application ni Palawan Pay. So, at least hindi nyo makalimutan yung password nyo and yung lahat ng information nyo is correct. Kasi like if magpapadala ka ng money or mag-claim ka ng money, at least correct lahat ng information. So I hope guys na nakatulong tong video na to sa inyo. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell para updated ka if may bago akong videos katulad nito. So bye guys! See you on my next vlog!